As technology, machinery, and methods have steadily improved over time, the size and scope of what builders can create have rapidly accelerated. The world's largest projects under construction today span the globe and even beyond. So in this video, we are going to talk about the biggest mega projects world records. The video is going to be amazing, so make sure you stick to the end. Beijing Daxing International Airport. Beijing Daxing opened for operations in September 2019, following more than 4 years of construction. The new Daxing Airport serves as North China's commercial aviation hub. The airport is operated by Beijing Capital International Airport Co. The government of China announced the long-awaited approval for the construction of a new international airport in January 2013. The new airport is located in Daxing, a suburb district south of the city. It reduces congestion at the existing airport and caters to the needs of Beijing passengers. Beijing Daxing Airport was developed at a cost of CNY 120 billion, while the projects in its periphery attracted investments of CNY 330 billion. It is expected to handle 72 million passengers by 2025 and up to 100 million passengers and 4 million tons of cargo upon further expansion. Construction work on the Daxing Airport commenced in December 2014, and the steel structure of the terminal was formed in June 2017. The new airport places Beijing alongside some of the most prominent cities in the world. The airport is expected to replace Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International Airport as the world's busiest airport. Beijing Daxing International Airport is integrated into the city through multiple means of transportation facilities. Its design includes various types of ground transport systems such as high-speed trains, metros, and inter-airport trains. All transport systems are operated through an 80,000 square meters ground transportation center constructed in front of the terminal building. A total of 3 underground railway stations were built beneath the terminal building, with a total area of 200,000 square meters for 5 railway lines to allow easy transfer for passengers to various means of transportation. Before we move on, support us by hitting subscribe and the bell icon to get notified when we post new videos. Now let's get back to our topic. Gotthard Base Tunnel, Switzerland. The Gotthard Base Tunnel is a railway tunnel through the Alps in Switzerland. With a route length of 57.09 kilometers, it is the world's longest railway and deepest traffic tunnel and the first flat, low-level route through the Alps. It lies at the heart of the Gotthard axis and constitutes the third tunnel connecting the cantons of Uri and Ticino, after the Gotthard Tunnel and the Gotthard Road Tunnel. The GBT consists of a huge complex with, at its core, 2 single-track tunnels connecting Ursfeld, Uri, with Bodio, Ticino, and passing below Cedron, Grissens. It is part of the new railway link through the Alps NRLA project, which also includes the Cineri-based tunnel further south, opened on 3 September 2020, and the Lochberg base tunnel on the other main north-south axis. It is referred to as a base tunnel since it bypasses most of the existing Gotthard railway line, a winding mountain route opened in 1882 across the St. Gotthard Massif, which was operating at its capacity before the opening of the GBT. The new base tunnel establishes a direct route usable by high-speed rail and heavy freight trains. The main purpose of the Gotthard Base Tunnel is to increase local transport capacity through the Alpine barrier, especially for freight, notably on the Rotterdam-Basel-Genoa corridor, and more specifically to shift freight volumes from trucks to freight trains. This both significantly reduces the danger of fatal road crashes involving trucks and reduces the environmental damage caused by heavy trucks. The tunnel provides a faster connection between the canton of Ticino and the rest of Switzerland, as well as between northern and southern Europe, cutting the Basel-Zurich-Lugano-Milan journey time for passenger trains by 1 hour. The Great Green Wall of Ara Valley. The Green Wall of India, proposed by environmental activist Vijaypal Baghel at the September Conference of Parties by the United Nations Convention to Combat Desertification, UNCCD, in New Delhi, was taken up for consideration by the central government. A group of environmental activists who have pledged to cover 5 core steps to mobilize people for 1,600 kilometers of green wall along the Aravalli Hills, from Porbandar in Gujarat to Kurukshetra in Haryana, made a pit stop at Ahmedabad on Monday. Baghel said, at a preliminary level, the government has shown a positive response by making the wall until Panipat, which comes up to 1,400 400 kilometers, but we want this to cover the Aravalli Range as well as the Shivalik Range to completely contain desertification. We estimate that 135 core trees will be part of this green wall, which will be 5 kilometers wide and may take up to 10 years to be created. So that's it. Please like, share, and comment your thoughts below if you like this video. Remember to subscribe to see our next video.